Okay? Before I saw it, I will say that my aunt gave me permission to do, if I want to, all the unboxings that I do in her house. So, you know. And I take full advantage of it because, as long as I'm here, of course I would do anything. Yeah. As long as I'm, in, this area, I'm going to take full advantage of it. So I am. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing, or unbagging, of the coin of the month. Let me get a, hang on. Had to address that, by the way. Is there nothing, wait, what? Is there nothing here? No? Wait, yeah. First, I'm opening up this. I should teach you how to open these. You see that? You do that. Right? And you find, okay, right here you'll see a little divot thing. That's how you open it. Easily. And it should open automatically. If you have a little bit of nails. That is. And I'm only going to be talking for this one because I just want to say, address something. And that was, I guess they only have like 4 or 5 coins for whatever, but still, I like it. This is the Wealth Builder of the Month type thing, so yeah. It's officially called the Monthly 1 Ounce Silver Coin Auto Wealth Delivery. And it's gone up in price a little bit. I'm going to tell you why I actually, collect coins. Here's the thing. Collect physical coins. If things go to the part and I have to sell a coin to get some food or what have you, I can. So yeah. And that's why I think you should you should do that. Buy silver coins, silver bars, gold coins, gold bars, because it's this the reason this is on this channel is because it's a survival. It was a SHTF type product. Okay, so yeah. Also, I want to address that I'm taking full advantage of my aunt saying, "Hey, you can do unboxings and unboxing videos, at my house, right? Meaning her house." So yeah. Also, the knife that I opened it with is the SOA Scout. I believe the last knife I got for SHTF Mystery Box, I would recommend it because it still works good. It's comes out easy. So yeah. So yes, anyway, that is the coin month. I'm trying to get as many coins and bars as possible. Not just for investing, but for SHTF purposes. I can get at least 30 something dollars for that. Because that's what I paid. It's a little up from silver value, but it's worth it for me. So anyway, peace.